Today I am going to show you a real world AI automation workflow that I personally use for content creation and newsletters. This AI agent system handles research, titles, descriptions, scripts, and even converts the same content into a newsletter automatically. In this video, I will break down the complete workflow step by step so you can build the same system for your own brand or business. Let's dive in. So guys, this is the AI agent which we are going to make. Though this is basically multi AI agent, because here you can see I have used one AI agent on the top, and under the tool section, I have attached four AI agents. Can you believe? Might be this concept is not known to you, yes, but you can attach multiple AI agents in the tool sections. Okay, so this AI agent is the main agent, and under it, four AI agents will work, and all the four AI agents will be connected with this AI agent, and they will talk to each other with this AI agent. This is the main AI agent, and in the trigger node, we have used only chat trigger. So I will be teaching you from scratch. Don't worry, but let's test this AI agent. So I'm opening the chat from here. Result will come here only. As here you can see, it is my multi-agent newsletter. Okay, it will generate a newsletter content, and it is multi-AI agent, because here you can see I have used main one AI agent, and under it four AI agents under the tool sections. Okay, now let's test it. So we are just writing any what you can say, any topic, like um, for example, like geographical related, something geography we should make. So global warming, it is basically a warning for glaciers. Okay, so I'm just hitting the enter button now, and you can just see it will start working. And here on the top you can see now, first it is generating a topic, and it is both the AI agents are talking to each other. You can just see now tick mark is there. Now AI agent is now creating a title. Now AI create titles agent. So this agent basically helping us in creating title. Now here you can see it is creating the description. Now all the AI agents are talking to the above AI agent one by one, and here you can just see script is being ready now. This AI agent is creating the script. Now it is talking to this AI agent. Now it is taking time, because creating a script will take time, and all the whole result will come in your chat section here only. You just copy paste and paste on your social media platforms. So this is the best part. And here you can just see workflow executed successfully. Now just read it, how beautifully it has crafted everything. I'm opening the chat, expanding from here. Just see the whole article is there. Subject: Thong truths, how melting glaciers are reshaping your daily life. Dear reader, when we think of melting glaciers, images of distant polar regions or rising sea levels often come to mind. These changes can feel remote or concern for this. Like this, you can see it has written, it has crafted a beautiful newsletter. Simply the yours company, whatever you can write at the bottom. Okay, so now it's time to make this agent, and how all the agents are being trained through prompting, that we are going to learn. Okay, so basically you will be having a new workflow. So click on this create workflow. I am on my paid version. So if whatever the N8N workspace you are having, either on free trial or you are having N8N on your local hosting, then just click on this create workflow, and then the canvas will come in front of you. So basically first part is to connect the chat trigger. Here you can just see, let me explain you, chat trigger. Okay, because you are going to chat with this AI agent only, and then connect all the AI agents one by one. So I'm just making you the how I'm just teaching you how to connect all the things from my workspace. So just click it. Okay, now right here chat trigger, that's it, chat trigger. And then this is the configuration screen. Do not touch here and there right now, just attach all the nodes. So I'm just teaching you how to connect the node. Now we need to connect one AI agent. So this AI agent will be connected. Just write in the search bar AI agent, connect it, and come outside. Nothing to touch here and there. Okay, we will rectify all these things, don't worry. Then chat model, once you click the chat model, connect the chat model, this red mark will vanish. So Google Gemini. Okay, Google Gemini. If it is not showing, it's fine. Connect on chat model again. Once again, just write Gemini. Yes, it has come now. Connect, click it, and then just see, come outside. Okay, now red mark, vanish. Now under the tool section, just see here. Under the tool section, I have connected 4 AI agents and with connected with Gemini. So this is the only workflow you have to make. So I'm just connecting here, writing here AI agent. So just see, AI agent came, and just see, AI agent connected. Here also you can just see AI agent are there. Same node, same shape. Here you can just see and connect the chat model. And chat model will be Gemini always because it is free of cost. Its Gemini key is free. So later on we will configure everything, and then again with this tool, click here only and connect here again AI agent tool, and then come out, and then just see fourth, and then again write like this, connect to AI agent. Okay, then again write AI agent, connect this, come outside like this, and the last. Okay, so AI agent tool, connect and come out. So all the 4 agents are being connected now. So little bit setting I am doing, don't worry. A little bit setting I am doing. Just see, I am just making them placed properly so that you can easily understood. Clear? Now connect the chat models with all. Gemini chat models, come outside. Clear? Connect here Gemini again, Gemini chat model, come outside. That's it. And once you connect all the API keys, it will be done. Then come outside like this. So your workflow is ready. Only you need to understand what this AI agent will do. Okay, if you want to rename, just see, click on the 3 dots. You can rename. You can rename this AI agent. So okay. So like if we talk about, this is my research agent. So I can write here AI research topic. Okay, I can write here AI research topic. Got it? You just rename. Your next was title agent, create title. This is creating title. So just click on the 3 dots. Okay, and just name it. Same, AI creates title or whatever you want to write, it's your choice. AI and creates title. Got it? Simple. And rename it. Similarly, the next one was description agent. So AI description agent or create description. Simple. AI description agent, rename it. And the last one is script agent. So AI script agent, simply click it, AI script agent. Got it? So like this you should be knowing what this AI agent is doing, which agent is doing what. Similarly, you should rename this as well. If you want to rename this, you can rename, it's your choice again. So it is just for the reference, I am renaming everything. Now once your workflow is ready, now it's time to read what you have to write, what kind of system prompting you have to write for AI agent, because AI agent should be trained by you only. Okay, so whatever the system prompting you will write, accordingly the AI agent will act. And the best part here, you can just see in chat trigger, nothing to do. You can make the chat publicly available. In the initial part, it will be like this, off. So you just remain it off. When you want to live the agent, okay, when you want to make it live, then only put this publicly available and then copy this ID. Okay, and then you can change your name here. And this is the only function of chat trigger node from inside configuration screen. Got it? Now this is very important. Here you can just see source for prompt will be chat trigger node, connected to chat trigger node. Do not click here and there. Okay, and the prompt user automatically it will take. This will automatically will come when you give some input. Whenever you are going to give some input, automatically it will take. So nothing to do here. system prompting is very important. So I am making I'm just reading for you now. So how to read probably, you can just see it's a very big prompt. It's a very big prompt. So just click on expression. Here by default at your side it will be on fixed, so just click on expression and then this arrow button will be there. Just click it and just read it. So you are a newsletter orchestra AI. The user will provide only a topic. So like I have given a topic to the AI agent in the initial part when I started the video while testing. So just I am giving the command. The user will provide only a topic. Your job is to automatically run the full pipeline in order. Research topics, expand and refine the user's topic into 3 to 5 relevant angles. Create titles, create description, create script. Always pass output step by step to the next specialist until the full newsletter is ready. This is very important, guys. This line is very important. Why it is important? Because if I am just closing it, first you need to research it. Then this agent will make the title, then description, then script. It should not be like that. First it is making script and then description and then title, then research. No. In order it should go. So that's why this last line is very important while giving a prompt inside the AI agent for training part. Okay, so you have to train the AI agent. Got it? So this much you have to write. Got it? This you can get the idea from LLM also. In the previous videos I have taught you how to make such big prompts with the help of ChatGPT. So you can get it from ChatGPT as well. And I will make a separate video for prompting, how you can prompt better for AI agents training. Clear? Now coming to this is very important again, because what kind of prompting? Here prompt will be defined by a model. Got it? This is very important to learn from this AI agent inside. Just see, when you are clicking on this, right, prompt message will be like blank. You need to click on this magic button and here click on add option and click on system message and here write your prompt. So this is basically what research topic. So accordingly you have to type. So what do you need to type? Just see, guys, just see. I am just copying here, Control C, and just copying this. Research and suggest 3 to 5 trending relevant newsletter topics for the given input, because it's is basically doing the research and giving the topics for the given input. Keep them short and clear. That's it. This much you have to do. And here you can just see, once I trained it, red mark vanish. यहाँ से red mark अभी है. Here the red mark is there, but here from here red mark vanishes. Got it? Similarly, we need to train this AI agent as well. Just double click it, make click on this magic button. We don't know, add option, click on system message. So what system message? This is basically what? Just see it. This is basically I'm just closing it. This is basically title agent. So title agent, what prompting generate 5 catchy newsletter titles based on the given topics. Okay, just copy it. Simple 2-line prompt. 2-line prompting we are doing, and just delete this and Control V, and this will come out, and there you can see red mark vanishes. Similarly, train this. Double click it, click on this button, magic button prompt, and here we are going to give the system message. So I'm just copying the system message from here because I have already made. So description agent prompting will be this. Control C, write a short compelling description, 2 to 3 sentences for the newsletter based on the chosen title or topic. And coming here and just delete it. Control V, that's it. Click on this cross button. Here you can see red mark vanishes. Similarly, again click on this magic button, click on add option, system message. Delete this and copy the system script agent system prompt. Okay, Control C, coming here and pasted. Write a full newsletter draft, 250 to 400 words. It depends upon you. If you want to increase the length of the words, it's your choice. So this message you have to write here only. Clear? You can change according to your use cases. Whatever the use cases are, you can change it. Clear? In all the agents. Now your workflow is ready. It's time to test it. You can test it. Just save it always whenever you want to save. Whenever you have done any changes, please save it. And you want to make it live, publish it. Okay, just give name anything. Otherwise, simply publish it. So it become live. Clear? Then click on got it and just come outside, and now you can make it chat publicly available. And here you can just see, copy this link, and here you can just change your name. I am just writing my name. So I am Amit. So I'm just writing my name and copying this and closing this and putting the save, because I have done some changes, so again I am saving it. Now you can just open in the new tab, and here you can just see your agent will be looking like this, like some error is coming. Let me check. Okay, let me check whether it is live or not. Yes, we have already published it, so again I am publishing it, don't worry. Fine. Now you can see, hi there, start a chat with, hi there, my name is Amit, how can I assist you today? You can just see, you can ask anything like how to conserve forest. Okay, now you can just see it has started working, so it will take time. Sudden answers will not come. Why? Because here it will test everything with topic, title, this agent, then script, everything. Then only this, just see, it has came. So it is asking me for conversation critical topic. Here are 4 trending and relevant newsletter topic that cover different topics of how to conserve forest. So I'm just taking this. I'm just writing here. Take point number 1. That's it. Now let's see. Okay, please write me with more content. What point number 1 are you referring? I am talking about this. Just copy it. Control C. Control V. This. So, okay. Thank you for providing the topic and the description. I understand tech for trees like this. How can I assist you further with topic? Make newsletter. Make a newsletter on this. So you have to interact basically. So it has started working. I can help you with that. What topic would you like this to about? Okay. So I can help you with creating content for it once I have a topic. So topic is conservation of forest. Conservation of forest. Now it will make a full article. Now, so basically, again I am repeating. Simply what you need to do, guys. Chat trigger node, AI agent, and under the AI agent tool section you have to connect 4 AI agents. Okay, and these AI agents will all together known as multi AI agent workflow. So today you have learned a very important thing, that is how to make multi AI agent workflows. Okay, so that's all from this video, and let's wait for another video. I will be making so many videos in the coming days and months, so that all the basic concepts should be clear related to N8N from my platform. Thank you. This workflow you just saw is only one part of a bigger system. The same logic powers the AI newsletter multi-agent setup I am teaching, where different AI agents handle research, headlines, content writing, and newsletter creation automatically. This system can be expanded into advanced automations, approvals, integrations, and even AI voice agents for marketing, sales, support, and internal operations. If you want a similar multi-agent AI system built for your personal use case or your businesses, feel free to reach out. We design custom AI agent systems that reduce manual work, improve consistency, and cut operational costs. I'm active on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. All my contact details are in the description section of this video, and my email is on the screen. If you have a real world content or automation problem, let's solve it with AI.